Fine, it's longer and better than short, isn't it?
Long is better than short.
Tell us when you're recording so I can have Way shut the fuck up.
Wait, shut the fuck up. I'm recording now. What is up, guys? Yesterday I picked up the RX-7 and got a little bit too excited. Didn't record much, but yesterday I finished getting rebuilt. Have my 1,000 miles of breaking in. So yeah, lots of videos to come. Today I'm going to be what am I doing today? I am taking the Custer route and I'm gonna do his first wash after 6 months. I haven't touched it because it's been garage, so yeah, let's see how it goes. What did you want to say? They said they wanted to say something.
I just wanted to really and truly chat shit and say if your car's half as easy as the MX-5, it'll be done in 10 minutes.
Yeah, I don't think it is. So yeah, let's show you around the car. Wait.
What? What's up?
Can you move?
Oh, don't show this bit. Oh,
Yo, do you want me to take the dash? Big booty.
Cool. Car is filthy right now. Here we. Look at that. Filth. There's a layer of filth there. But to be honest, it's beaten quite well actually, surprisingly. The wax has lasted for quite a long time, considering I haven't waxed it or touched it in 6 months. Yeah, just loads of crap just stuck between there.
This not have an adjustable steering rack.
But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, first things first, just give it a rinse. Rinse, then spray it with Bibbery wheel cleaner, do the wheel wells, and then do the face, and then do the tyres. Let's go. To be honest, it's not even that bad with just a rinse, but obviously we're going to clean it, but I just want to show you. It's not that bad. There's not much brake dust at all. Well then again, I haven't been driving it. Wheel cleaner, Bibbery wheel cleaner, EZ brush. Adam's tyre and rubber cleaner. Snow foam time, using Maguire's Hyperwash. I think it's one of the best out there. It's pH neutral, I believe, which is safe for wax, and also super cheap. So yeah, just put water in and then mix it up. Alright, Chris is gonna demo. This is not how I usually do it, so if he does it wrong, it's not my fault. Alright, so you want to start from bottom up, okay? Yeah. And do the arches as well. Preparing the wash bucket using Adam's car shampoo. It's really good, pH neutral, again, wax safe. Squirt some onto your pad.
What's your trolley? Are you using a trolley?
Kind of. and then squat onto the pad so it suds. So one really important thing for us UK guys is that, especially during winter, try to get rid of all the salt. So I'm gonna go do the wheel arches and then get the right angle nozzle for the jet wash and then go under the car. Here's the little right angle thing, nozzle, that goes into the jet wash.
Yeah, sure, innit?
Now onto the actual wash. 2 bucket method obviously.
And here we have a wild way working on his RX-5. Clearly, he has no idea what he's doing.
Has he got a thinner rubber one?
Yeah, the rubber mounts are there.
Has he got a thinner one?
No. The boosted MX-5. Stripped down to its core. Not really, but... Hello.
Come here, come here. Come, let me show you. Let me show you something.
2 bucket techniques.
Come closer, come closer. This is why the 2 bucket method works. This was my rinse bucket. Check the colour, check the colour. Hold on, until the suds go. Check the colour, check the colour. Check the colour, check the colour. I like that crap. There was loads of crap in there, as you saw. Now check this. This is my clean bucket. Bit of dirt to be expected, but the water's clear. This is the setup I use. Washboard, grit guard, grit guard. Washboard, grit guard, grit guard. Now it's time for drying.
Gang, gang, gang!
What do I do for drying? What should I do? Do you reckon the leaf blower would work? I don't think it's well waxed enough for the leaf blower to work.
When was the last time you waxed that?
6 months ago.
It's been mainly indoors, to be honest.
But look at this. This is alright, isn't it? This will all blow off because the beam
Yeah,
is
I don't
pretty
think your
good.
rear will work.
The rear won't. This has been polished since and I haven't waxed it, so this won't work at all. What should I do?
Oh, are we going for old school chamois?
No. I'll blow off as much as possible and then we'll chamois the rest.
It's gonna get loud. So, for what you can see, he's a DJ part-time, hence the massive noise cancelling headphones.
How did you know?
And he's also a part-time gardener.
It's for the leaf blower, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if it blows off.
Hold on, let me get a better angle. Let me not take up the light. Lego. Actually, let me see if I can see the beads.
Show the beads that side, didn't it? This is rubbish, not so good. This is pretty good. The window should be okay. The bonnet the spoiler, the boot. Don't know about that. Let's see how it goes. Rubbish. I'm going to do the majority of it and then towel dry it. Which is quite annoying. I haven't towel dried in a long time.
Back to the MX-5. Here is the Roadman.